Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're gonna be looking and answering the question a little bit of, is Ripple XRP a scam? Because according to Forbes, they said it was a pump and dump scheme and basically called it a scam as a whole. While I don't believe this is the case, it is also good to note that nothing is set in stone. So that means that if a better asset that gives companies and even consumers more benefits, then they're definitely going to be using that instead of XRP. But to the moment, backed by facts, Ripple is still the number one leading asset or company in what they're trying to accomplish. And it's also interesting to see what Forbes has said, that they apparently said that the partners or the customers that Ripple has, they said that it was partnerships as opposed to customers. What they were basically saying was that they were partners that were basically bought by Ripple instead of it being actual customers. But right here, once you go to Ripple and ripplenet.com or Ripple, .com/ripplenet, we can see that if we scroll down here, it clearly says customers, and we can see the whole list. And here we have BTech, which is one of the companies that I briefly covered in one of my videos, and I explained the partnerships between Ripple and BTech and how they're actually already saving them so much money. And I'll put the link to that video towards the end of this video if you want to check that out. And you want to skip ahead to about 7 minutes and 35 seconds. That's when I start talking about BTech and Ripple in that video, that you'll get the link at the end. And if you ask me, as far as everything goes, Ripple has been proving to accomplish their goals, and we haven't really necessarily heard anything negative about Ripple besides the FUD being spread by Forbes currently, which in my opinion, I wouldn't rush to sell your XRP just because of this specific FUD going around. I think we should wait till there's more concrete evidence that it is a scam, or you know what I mean? Because to the moment we're only hearing good things about Ripple, and I think they're moving forward and even at a faster rate than ever. So I think this is just FUD. Don't let them shake you out of your bags. So far so good with Ripple. Don't see anything negative, and we don't hear anything negative at the moment. And a quick note, if you're new to the crypto space, you might not know what FUD is, and FUD just basically means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that's basically what Forbes is currently spreading. Because a little bonus, right over here we have Forbes, which was they listed Ripple in their FinTech 50. But aside from that, this is what I wanted to show you guys specifically. That it talks about, read more. Bonafides, 200 RippleNet customers, including Bank of America and American Express. So this is by Forbes saying right here that they are customers and not so-called partners, which that's what they were stating in their recent article. But let me know what you guys think. I don't think this is any concrete proof that can actually be used to claim or say that Ripple is a scam. To me, we're still safe. We're still moving forward. But let me know if you guys have any extra questions, if you don't understand something fully, or just if you have any input of your own that you might want to add. And stay tuned for crypto news daily at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Just hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.